On today's episode, guys, I want to talk about how I went to market outside the hospital gate on a Sunday to get the things I would use to make a goosey soup. And I forgot that I was in a new environment and I didn't remember that it is so difficult to get things when you want to prepare soup here. So on this day, I went to buy things to prepare egusi soup. I've been eating the egusi soup in the canteen now, but it's not egusi at all. I decided to make my own this Sunday because I was free of work. I was not on call and I wanted to make my own soup. Getting to market, I couldn't even find vegetable. I only saw one man who was selling vegetable and I was already with my egusi. I already bought egusi and I had grinded the egusi. So I decided to buy vegetable and then I started to look for meat. There was not even frozen store open that Sunday. Unlike where I was coming from, on Sundays the markets are usually very busy. You can buy anything you want to buy. But here I was finding it difficult to get things to prepare soup with. I got the I checked around and then I saw someone selling omo. I decided to buy omo to make this egusi soup. And omo does not suit all soups, but then me, I was going to bring in my A game and I was going to make egusi soup to my taste. I got the omo, went home and washed it. I washed it so well because I didn't want any problem at all in this soup I was preparing on Sunday. I washed my omo, put them into the pot, put my pepper, my seasoning cubes, my salt, and added water into the pot and allowed it to cook. Because you want the omo to get done before you proceed with your cooking. And as a lady, how do you know the omo is ready? You take out one and then you try it, you taste it. I tasted mine and it was ready. Then I was ready to prepare my soup. I went in with extra water for my soup, some red oil, and allowed it to boil for some time. Added my egusi. I melted my egusi. I added water into my egusi because I love the taste I get from this kind of method. I have other methods I used to prepare egusi soup, but in this method I had to mix the egusi with cold water first. Then I added it with spoon, scoop by scoop into the pot, allowed it to cook for some time. I already added crayfish to my egusi while grinding, so I didn't need to add another one when I was cooking. So after some time, I added my vegetable into the soup and I stirred it and the soup was ready. After stirring, I covered my pot and allowed it to boil for a few minutes and I brought it down. It was ready to be dished out and ready to be eaten. So I know you're wondering what happened, what actually went wrong. Yes, what went wrong was that I went to the market on a wrong day. This was not the right day to go to the market because I did get most of the things I wanted to use to prepare this soup. So I turned out making omo egusi soup. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you've not yet subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and tell me where you're watching me from. Till next time, bye.